Amethyst with WTI, and this is my new bathroom mirror. And let me share you with you guys all of the reasons why I absolutely love it and how it has completely changed my morning and nighttime routine and basically just elevated my bathroom so very much. So the TETOTE mirror won my heart basically immediately with this installation guide and process. It was so easy with these French cleat systems to just clip the mirror right on the wall and we were good to go. I love that there are 3 different settings. So we've got a warm, bright, and natural setting lighting, as well as a dimming feature. So if you want to preset it, have it so that every time you turn it on, it can be a specific color and dimness, which is great for people who might wake up really early. You don't want to get blasted with a bunch of light. You can kind of set it at a dimmer, maybe the warm light setting. So I love that. It's been wonderful to really get a close up on my face and make sure that my makeup is applied well, my skincare is applying well, and I also like it for makeup removal because I don't miss any makeup that could have been left behind. And it's just been such a wonderful thing to have. It's really easy to clean, and it has the defogging feature. So turn that on before you go in the shower, and as you can see, it is completely clear of fog. So I love that feature. And this is my makeup when I decided to do half. The right is with the light on and the left is with the light off. And as you can see, it's well blended on the right and not too much or too little used wherever needed. I love doing my makeup with this light. I feel like it turns out better every single time. So there you go. If you are looking for a new bathroom mirror, or if you never thought about it but really want to elevate your space, I highly recommend this one, and that is my point of view.